Yay! A beginner's guide to RC helis by Hi, AliShanMao here. Here we are with the KDS 550 Innova, and motor and everything is set. So now what I'm going to do is set the helicopter with the electronics. So I thought it's a good idea that I shoot this video about how do it's all about my own way of setting the helicopter. So if it doesn't match with the other professionals out there, I'm not a very professional guy here, but anyway, if it doesn't match with the other professional guys' way of setting up a helicopter, it does not matter, because it is just the way I set up my helicopters. So here we go. So you can see that right now servos have no servo arms on them, okay, and swash plate is also hanging free. Everything is out, because we're gonna set the stuff. There's lot to do actually. So I note down a few pointers here, and we will go step by step. So accordingly, the first step is get your radio. Okay, so I'm gonna get my DX7 set up on this one. First thing we need to do is set a new model. So step 1, press these two buttons and turn the radio on. Okay, now select the model. I already have like 7, 6 Genius, 5 is acrobatic model, 4 TT62 Edge and T-Rex. So I think I will use model 5. Okay, and I will simply reset the data on this one first, because we want all the trims and everything, all the programming to be none. Okay, data reset. Then we go to choose helicopter, move to the name, let us do it. Oh, alright, now we will go to the next option, and we will select 3 servos, 120 degrees. Aux 2, I will put it to gyro so I can control the gyro sensing. Rest, I will just leave them alone. Okay, let's turn it off, turn it on. Okay, so we have everything here. We will check if we have got all the menus that we need. We have the gyro sensing, which we needed actually. Okay, rest is all good. Now that we have set everything, I will double check and put all the trims to center. Okay, and rest of the programming I will leave it alone for now. Now the second thing we need to do on the second step is to power on the servos so they all will go center, and I'm gonna do it now. After powering on the servos, when all of them are centered, we are going to install the servo horns. Then the third step comes is to balance the swash, level it out by making sure these connecting rods, the 3 of them, are of equal size, especially these 2. The third one on this helicopter is a longer one, because the third servo here is actually lying, so it needs a longer one, while these servos are standing position, vertically positioned. So I will keep this 2 very equal size, while this one we will keep for the stock setup as it is now, and later we need to probably increase the length or decrease the length of these connecting rods in order to make sure the swash plate levels out horizontally, and also make sure to set the right pitch curves. Okay, so we might get back to these ones to increase and decrease the length of these. After the swash has set up right, then we will do it like a test if all the servos are moving in right direction, and finally we will go and set the pitch curves. So let me do the things step by step and keep shooting the video. Okay, so I put all the servos on my DX7's AR6200 RX receiver, and you can hear I will leave the sticks to center and all the trims to center. That means all the servos have been centered.